Firstly, too, working with this Sears high pressure Craftsman pressure washer here. We have a 13.5 amp. This is the older one, but the gaskets inside of here are worn or bad, because when I turn the water on, water comes out of the handle, and that lets me know that the gaskets are worn. There's at least 3 of them that I saw, so we're going to open it up and check it out. Sometimes you may have to pry this open, but this came. We have our hardware inside. I'm going to lift up. I wonder if it should pop out here. Just remember where you got it from. Okay, it just popped off. I think it broke off. Now let's find one that's gonna replace that. I believe this one will do it. For my AC system. I'll take and roll it on there. Okay, that's in place. I'm gonna flip it over here and get this last one off. Let's see, make sure I got one that's gonna fit. Looks a little, it's too big. I have to stretch that one. Let's get this one off here. I'm going to move that over there out the way. Okay, it's trying to come. That goes. Put that out the way. And the smallest one, like this, can fit over there. Put that to stretch over there. And I believe we're in business. We have 3 fresh O-rings on. Okay. Now I gotta figure out how this thing can be connected here. Those one in there. And back toward the spring. Also, I need to see if I can find another spring here. This one don't have any buoyancy to it. Or maybe I can enhance it with not too bad though. Also, I'm going to take some plumber's tape. Some of this will cook off of there. I'm going to wrap. I'm going to wrap my connectors up with the plumber's tape. Make sure it's going in the right direction here. Yeah. I didn't see this part leak, but just to enhance it here. Put some there. here. There's 3 pieces this thing breaks down. Don't know, get some of those stuff off of there. Okay, we're not going to wrestle with that. Light piece. Put it there. Take care of that. And that'll take care of that section. I may even wrap some of it. Well, I may not do that. We're going to see what happens with just doing that. Then I'm going to take my plumber's tape and maybe do something else with it if it's still leaking. But let's try it from there. To take my need to line this up first. Go ahead and slide this inside of the handle. I need to push back. I need to get my handle in there. Slides right in there. Should fish in the right way. Get this into place. This way here. No, that's not going to work. Let's try this. Put that through. Slide that through there. Slide my hand into the handle slot. Get my spring in. Fishing the right way. Less resistance. Try that way. Try to do this all at once. Like that. Sure my handle's in. That feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Okay, now what I need to do next. There's a the rubber seal there. I'm going to take some plumber's tape anyway, and maybe this is going to enhance that. Just going to take a piece here and wrap it around that. Pull on it. We're going to take this. We're going to screw it in nice and tight until it stops there. I'm going to make sure my handle is in the slot. I believe it is. I'm going to take this and match it. Got this slid into there. So I added some plumber's tape to my seal there and screw it in where it stops there. I'm going to take my other part of my handle, make sure it slides on. Goes right in place. Damn, it's supposed to be. And it's not, so let me take it back off. Let's see who's not lining up here. Okay, I think we're in. To take our drill wherever he went. Trying to find my screws now. Get those in. missing some screws. Put our screws in there. And screw them down.